Hey friends, if you wish to fix LogonUI application error on startup in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. If this doesn't help, then straight away perform a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and then go to recovery. Now you need to have a restore point for this. So in my case, there is no restore point. Now this is what I advise people: create a restore point beforehand to make sure that you do not face this issue. And to create a restore point, you will have to enable system protection. Then click on create and create a restore point. Okay, click on create and let it create the restore point. It needs a few minutes, so we'll wait till then. So if we already have a restore point, what should we do next? Click on Open System Restore, click on Next, choose a go to restore point, click on Next, click on Finish, and click on Yes to initiate the restore process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.